Good morning. Good morning, Kuya. Good morning. Good morning, Zach. Si Zach, walking niya si Lulu. Si Jen nag-fishing. Today is Sunday, right? Yeah? Today is Sunday. 31st of December. New Year's Eve na. Si Holly natulog siya kila Kylie. Ito siya natulog eh. Diyan sa kabilang caravan. And si Zach. You ready, Zach? Yeah. Punta kami ng town, no? Naka-PJs pa kasi ako. No, Zach. Nagkakalmot kasi ito. Mahaba ang kanyang, kuko. Mag-golf pala si Kuya. Mag-golf kasama si... Where's the sunscreen? Take that one.
He won, I know.
Yun. Mag-golf sila ni Joe. Punta sila sa bahay para kunin yung baggy at saka yung golf stick ni Kuya. Si Jenny di makakasama kasi nag-fishing siya. Good morning, girls.
Good morning.
Good morning.
Guys, I made Holly breakfast. It's a 2-slice sandwich with peanut butter in it.
Siya yung gumawa ng breakfast namin. Ayan, meron din siya si Holly tapos nang kumain. Yung akin ay, ayan, peanut butter. Press niya dito, oh. Ayan, yung slice press. Nakabihis na si Holly. Nag-change na siya ng clothes. Okay. Rub. Where's your ponytail?
I think, wait. Oh, did I even bring my head ponytail? Oh, no, I forgot. I'll ask Kylie if she has it.
No, I have one here. Hindi siya sasama sa akin sa grocery. Magstay raw siya dito with Sophie.
Yeah, that's perfect. Thanks, Mom.
Oh, good. Alis na kayo ni Zaki Boy. Si Holly nag-walking na with Kylie. Hindi. Pumunta ng coffee shop. Dito na pala kami ni Zach sa bahay. Nakaligo na ako at nakaayos. Si Zach naglaba. And, ayan, nagsasampay na siya. Tutulungan ko siya. Ayan siya. Hi, Nak. Sorry. Kasi tinawag niya ako. Nag-aayos ako. Almost done? Thank you. Tapos alis kaming dalawa. Punta kami ng grocery tayo. Thank you, Zaki. Punta muna kami ng Kmart. Gusto niya mag-lunch. What are you gonna have?
I'm getting some stuff for New Year's.
Huh? For New Year's daw. Yung, what do you call that?
Sparkling tea.
Sparkly tea daw. Hanap tayo dito sa yung stick. The light it up. Okay. Yung, anong tawag niyan? Sparkling yung, anong tawag niyan sa atin? Basta yun na yung guys. Hanapin namin dito sa Kmart. Alams na. Hi. Which one? Teriyaki. What?
I want this drink.
Crispy chicken. That's it. 3 crispy chicken. 3, please. Thank you. Thank you. Ayan yung kay Saki. Kain muna siya. Punta rin ako ng Foodland. And Kmart. After yung kumain. Gusto niya akong kumagat. Get yung chicken.
Oh, at the start.
Pinatikim ako ni Sak, nasarapan ako. Kumuha rin akong 3. Pero bigyan ko si Sak ng siguro isa. Ginger. Did you say? I'm the best. Binigyan ko siya isa. So, parang ano na sa kanya. 3, more than 4. Kasi kumagat lang ako, diba? Ayan. And binigyan niya akong konti. Naubos namin ni Sak. Sobrang busog ako. Wait, babae. Thank you. Foodland muna kami ni Zach. Wala talaga sila yung malaking pork belly. No? Merong isa. Eto. Kunin ko na to.
Is that the only one?
Yeah. This is the only one.
Do you wanna?
Yeah. Wala sila. Usually mayroon sila yung malaki, mahaba. I can bring this. Kmart naman tayo.
stick.
Yeah, this is the glow stick.
How much it in? 8, 16.
8 packs. It's only one. It's alright. Dalawa talaga kinuha mo. Ano? This one? No, not that one. Wala sa Kmart. So, after sa Coles, punta kami sa Big W kasi meron sa Big W. Chinek ko na online. So, punta tayo doon after Coles. Mag-Big W daw muna kami, sabi ni Saki. Kaya ayan, Big W tayo. So, baka dito na lang ako mag-grocery sa, sa Woolies kasi nandito na rin tayo. We'll see. Sak, get a cart. Napaka-excited niya. Baka wala na. Oh, we can get one. Meron na lang isa. Yeah, but that's the only left. But we can get the other. And be careful. Remember what happened? Yeah. So be careful with that one. Yan lang. Yan na lang ang natira, guys. Dinayo pa namin dito. Yan lang yung available. Nakabayad na ako. Naiwan niya yung cart doon sa party section. Okay, let's go. Thank you. Punta tayo dito sa The Reject Shop. Baka meron pa ditong pang New Year ni Zach. Paputok. Ayan, meron kami nakita dito sa Woolies. Okay, 3. Yeah. How many pieces? 8 pieces sa isang ganito. You want this? Gusto nyo kumuha ng glow stick. Okay.
This is better. Better than nothing.
Better than nothing. Meron tayong nakuhang Coke and ginger beer para kay Kylie yan. That's for Kylie. Where's the fruit box? Ito yung pag nandito ako sa Woolies, hindi ko alam kung anong aisle yung fruit box. Sabi ni Sak, masarap daw to. So, try natin to. Dito to sa Woolies. Woolies brand siya eh. Okay. Get different flavor na. Apple. And what other flavor? Tingnan nyo maglakad si Sak. Parang may angas. Tingnan mo, parang yabang-yabang. What else? So, tayo ng tubig. Yeah. Get 2, Sak, please. Oops. Fix it. One more. Thank you. Hanap na tayo mga bilog. Ayan. Ano to? Peach white, peach yellow. Kuya wants the yellow one. Not one. Yeah, we got lots of this. Pero nasa puno pa. Ito, favorite to ni Jan. Itong plum black. Kuha tayo nito. You're good? Alright. Okay, thank you. Apples. No, not that one. That's not round. This one. Maybe this. Oh. No, that's not. Have you tried it? Alright, go get one. I'll get some. Wala masyado dito, guys, na fruits. Mas maganda sa Coles. Wala, guys. Wala masyadong fruits dito. So, punta tayo ng Coles. Bala ko sana hindi na pumunta ng Coles. So, yung nakuha lang natin dito is apples, black plum, and peach. So, pupunta tayo ng Coles kasi walang masyadong fruits. Wala nga silang pineapple at saka yung rock melon. Wala sila. So, yan yung nabili natin dito. Basta tayo dito sa Woolies. Meron pa pala kami ditong stuck sa likod ng ko. I know, but we need water. Okay, can you fix that one? Nagulat si Six. Sabi, meron ka pa ditong tubig. Nandito pa yung oil. Dapat sa bahay kasi yung oil. Okay. Pinifix niya muna para mag-cash. In our house.
And in the
Caravan as well. Okay. Yeah, more water is good. No, they don't expire. And we always drink water. Ayan na, guys. Ayan ang itsura ng boot natin. Thank you, Saki boy. Ay! Coles naman tayo. Pa tayong lettuce. And this one, honeydew. Oh, di ba ang daming bilog dito sa coast? Doon sa ano? Why? Wait niya na naman. Almost 2 kilo.
3 kilos.
No, because you're holding it. Ayan. Yeah. This one. Diba? Ayan na lang yung mango nila. Wala yung gusto kong brand. Matamis na kaya to? You like the... Gusto niyang passion fruit.
2 per kilo.
No, 2. Not 2 per kilo. $2 each. Ano ka? Okay, ayan. 5. Kiwi! Sak! May grapes pa ako doon. Meron pa tayong grapes. Here, ah. So, ilan na bang nakuha nating bilog? Pa tayong mini mandarins. Sak, this one. And orange. Ayan. Wala sila yung ano. Yung parang lukban sa atin. Lemon 1, 2, 3. Pa rin tayo nitong ruby red grapefruit. Ruby. This is nice.
Oh, yeah.
You know the purple one?
Oh, is that it?
No, like a
No,
red orange.
yeah,
Like oh. See? Nahulog. Nahulog pa. Okay, get another bag. Ayan. Ayan, tatlo. Don't shake it. Okay. Yeah?
Blackberries.
Yeah. Or grapes,
Grapes.
plums, apples, and yellow peach, and then all this. Mango, mango, mango.
Oh, and we have watermelon. So that's more than 13.
Mango. Pala wala ko ang mangga. Okay, here's that. Fruit salad ni Johnny Boy. One. We need to find like ripe one.
This one, Mum.
No, this one.
Ooh. Is that all?
Not yet, not yet.
Yeah, that's all.
This is hard. We need ripe. This
That
one.
one?
This one.
Yep.
3. Yeah? Okay na ba yan, Saki? Okay na siguro yung fruits natin. Kuha tayo ng coleslaw and potato salad. Huh? Slowly, potato salad.
What else do we need?
I'm gonna make a sticky rice. Sticky rice.
Wait,
And
can it be white one, Mum?
What a white one? Cream?
Not brown.
No.
Can you make it white?
No. Why? And is what's that? 43? What? Ano na? No, $3.90. Ano ka ba? $44 daw. Sak. Nagbibilang na naman siya dyan. Okay. Sabi ko kay Sako ako ng Coke kasi naka-sale. Sabi niya, mayroon ka pa sa car, huwag ka nang kumuha. Are you sure? We're not getting? Why?
Can we too fat?
Huh?
Can we get too fat?
Too fat. Oh, I'm not drinking. Hello.
Who is?
You and Daddy. Sila yung kinukuha kong fruit cocktail, ha? No, not that one na. This one.
Fine.
This one, fruit salad, dice.
Oh, that.
Okay. This one.
Let's get that yellow.
And kuha tayong peach. Ito din kasi si John. Gusto niya may peach. Okay na yan. Kuha raw siya ng lollies. That's chewy. Alright. Kuha tayo ng pasta sauce. Ito. Itong dalawa. Dahil wala tayong makuhang, Filipino style. Here, Sak. Ay, mabubog.
You got
Okay. Then, salt.
pasta, Mom.
Meron pa tayo nito sa bahay, pero kuha tayo.
Spaghetti pasta.
Isa.
Yeah, I love that.
This one?
The spaghetti pasta.
Garlic powder para sa caravan. This is for the caravan.
Lemon.
Nak, caravan.
No.
I'm gonna find a steak. Paper steak. Paper steak. Not that one. Na silang pang steak na seasoning. Huh? $50? Wow, why you didn't bring it? Wala silang pang steak. Okay. There's none.
How's got this?
Cooking salt.
Okay, done?
Wala na rin sila yung aluminum foil na maliit. Nandito, malaki meron pa dito sa bahay. Okay, let's go. We're done. Okay, let's go. Bayad na tayo, guys. Thank you. Happy New Year. Alright, we're done here. Ayan na yung boot natin, guys. Tapos na tayo dito sa Coles. Okay. Gusto niya i-try ko to. Yung binili yung bubble gum. Yeah, great.
Because I think I do want you next to me. Want you next to me.